Great. So this is a CNC machine coming from a Chinese producer, factory from China. Let's see what we got here. I hope it can really well packed, because it was supposed to be metallic with many parts in there, but this box is really small, so I don't know how they pack it inside. Well, at least this seems to be well packed. Oh, really well packed. What is this in here? Oh god. Uh-oh. I guess I shouldn't have opened this way. But hey, there are the motors. It seems nothing is damaged because it has everything well organized in there. It seems nice. I could say that I misjudged them. Let's put this over here. I had to clean them because they have like a from the factory some things. Place them over here. See, this part have to be assembled. This is a do-it-yourself package, so I hope this really is strong. This is a strong material. It seems it is a really strong material, so I don't think it will break that easily. I thought that it will be like something fragile. I think this is a good product. I will open it this way now, because it seems the box was the other side around. Okay, yeah, it was this side actually. Okay, I will place this here. Yeah, the lid, the one that I have to take first. Some zippers. It seems to be the board. Oh, some CD, so that I can install it. I hope I can do that on Linux. A cable. Everything is good. What is this? An USB. Nice. I mean, it is metallic too. Some things. So, oops, I moved the camera. Yeah, a lot of screws and things that I have to be careful with. I hope nothing is lost, because everything is complete. Oh, great! This is a really good looking piece. Oh, I have oil in there, so that it will work perfectly, I guess. I hope. This is the CNC machine from China, I guess. Really nice.